Hello, Facebook friends. I wanted to let you know that we're here on a Thursday morning, almost afternoon, cleaning out a house. Just kind of want to give you a glimpse at what we start out with. So come on, take a walk with me. So we've already started on this house, but when you take a look, you're going to see that we've already started on it, but sometimes when we open the door, we don't know what we're going to get into. And come on in, we'll take a look. So this is, I guess, an office workout area, sewing area, and a keeper of the records area. So we've kind of started on it as well. And then we'll go through, they want us to clean out the entire house here. And when we do that, we'll get rid of the trash and then we'll sell what's sellable. So what we had, like on this TV stand, was a bunch of collector plates. There's an air conditioner, some regular kitchen stuff. You really don't know what you're going to get into, but I kind of wanted to give you a glimpse of what we're looking at. I'll show them the other bedroom. So we've got some antique furniture in here. As you can tell, this is a beautiful bed, but there'll be some things that we get rid of, like the mattress. We'll just want the bed for you. Closets are sometimes full, sometimes the dressers are full, and it just varies. Come on through, we'll look at another bedroom.
Nasty. Yeah, I mean, that's a difference. You don't want to keep it.
And so when we're doing a clean out, you never know what you're going to find. And so in this one, we found a few firearms. We've got, periodically we'll find jewelry or little tiki cups. Here's some cast iron skillets. We've kind of been through some of it. And then here's a bedroom that we started looking at. And gosh, you just don't know what you're going to find. Like a ladder. Everybody needs a ladder in their bedroom, but that'll come in handy, and we'll likely end up selling that. Just wanted to give you a glance. Have a great day.